Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor essentials, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to what I believe is the best Instaprivy portable toilet available in the market. Meet the Fun Essentials Portable Toilet Kit. It's not just a toilet. It's your go-to solution for outdoor adventures, camping trips, and emergencies. Let's unpack why this kit stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about comfort. Unlike many portable toilets out there, this one offers a higher and bigger size, making it incredibly comfortable to use. With a height of 15.75 inches, it's suitable for everyone, including taller individuals. And that's not all. The seat cover has been widened for extra comfort, ensuring you feel at ease during your nature calls. Now, let's talk privacy. The Fun Essentials kit comes with a full-size privacy pop-up tent, measuring 6 feet 2 inches. Whether you need to change clothes, take a shower, or use the toilet, this tent offers instant privacy wherever you are. Setting up this tent is a breeze, thanks to its simple and intuitive design. In just a few minutes, you'll have your own private space, no matter where your adventures take you. Now, let's talk value. The Fun Essentials Portable Toilet Kit is not only incredibly functional, but it's also budget-friendly. You get everything you need, from the toilet itself to the privacy tent and waste disposal bags, all in one convenient package. With premium materials and thoughtful design, this kit is built to last. It's your companion for all your outdoor adventures, whether you're camping, fishing, hiking, or traveling. So there you have it. The Fun Essentials Portable Toilet Kit, the best Instaprivy solution for your outdoor needs. Don't let nature calls hold you back. With this kit by your side, you can embrace every adventure with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy exploring.